Swadika Habibi, smart investors shift, they don't stop. If you are planning to invest in Dubai, pause for a second. Smart investors don't chase the market, they adapt to global situations. With the current geopolitical uncertainties and ongoing conflicts affecting global sentiments, market in Dubai is seeing short-term hesitation, liquidity slowdown and delayed returns. So, as a smart investor, don't wait, just relocate. Hi, my name is Ayush Mishra and I am from Ethereal Hopes Private Limited. So let me talk about why to invest in Thailand and seeing Thailand as an opportunity in real estate. Because of the tourism. One of the most visited country in the world is Thailand with approximately 32.9 million tourists in 2025. Thailand has a high rental demand because of the tourism industries. Cities like Bangkok has 5 to 7% annual rental for the residential unit and Phuket and Pattaya goes up to 8 to 10% annual rental. And generally it is like more if you are having a place in beachfront or you are taking it as an Airbnb. Another point is lower entry and higher yield. If you compare it to Dubai market, the entry cost in Thailand is lower and the rental yield can goes up to 7 to 10%. Properties in Thailand starts from approximately 60 lakh rupees INR and this is one of the best thing which you actually can go for it. Thailand is having an investor friendly ecosystems. You can own apartment or a condominiums which they actually call there. There is a 49% foreigner quota in Thailand with simple transparent process. There is also currency advantage as the Thai baht is very stable and lower asset price gives you better diversifications. There is also an opportunity for growth as n number of projects are coming in Thailand with infrastructure developments. Events like Tomorrowland, Disneyland and casinos are also planned there. Also, if you are planning your retirement there, Thailand is a great place to live. कहते हैं सर, Dubai is a great place to earn, Thailand is a great place to live. Healthcare वहाँ काफी high quality है, जो कि global standard से cost बहुत कम आती है. You have affordable domestic life, you have leisures, dining, all at the affordable rate. Thailand is very easy to settle since they have n number of wellness and quality of life is good. You have beaches, cafes, golf course, wellness treatments, spas. वो आपके लाइफ को बहुत इम्प्रूव करती है. And the best part is it is extremely visitor friendly. From visa on arrival for a quick visit to a long-term elite visas, every process is very simple and flexible. So we have opportunities in Thailand which starts from 60 lakh rupees with a good payment plan, returns 7 to 10% absolutely for a residential rental property. So you can contact us for all the details and if you want to invest in Thailand, get in touch with our team. Thank you.